Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm just doing some cheapo bone-in pork chops tonight. I was planning on doing it outside on the grill and even slap it with some salt. But yeah, I can't do it outside. The sun's going down drastically, and I'm just gonna do it inside here on the CHEFMAN indoor grill. And these pork chops are, I believe, underrated, because I tell you what, they're so pretty cheap, pretty lean, bone in, and you see them just throw them on the grill and slap some sauce on them. But I tell you what, they're very good if you grill them right. And not saucing them tonight. I'm just gonna treat them like season them up and treat them like a steak, a ribeye steak, and cook them up to about 140. Pull them off, let them rest, and just cut into it, and they're delicious when done right. Guys, let me show you what we're doing. Alright guys, as always, you need to fill your water pan with water. That's what helps keep it smokeless. Let's smoke less, not smokeless. It's gonna be a pretty short cook, so I'm not gonna fill it all the way up. I think that's gonna be more than enough water. Slide that in carefully. Get a rack on. And now we can plug it in and get her turned on. And guys, for this cook, we're going on high. I'm gonna let this heat up while we're prepping the food, and I want this to heat up at least a good 5 minutes before we put anything on there. You know me, I keep things simple around here. I'm just coming in with my SPG plus butter. I love this stuff, guys, from Grillaholics. I have a link in the video description, the coupon code KEN20, I believe, that'll get you 20% off this. A little heavier than what I wanted, but I'll spread that out. That's all we're using, guys. That's it. This will season this pork perfectly. Like I said, it's going to be short and sweet on this cook. We just got a little side of green beans heating up straight out of the can. Get this flipped over, hit the other side. Show our little indoor grill some love here in just a minute. Alright guys, we're hitting up over 400 degrees on this thing. I want to get these chops on here. I think I could fit all three of them on. If not, we'll have to do some rearranging. We're going to let this go for about 4 or 5 minutes on each side. Alright guys, it's been about probably closer to 5 minutes here. Let's go ahead and give these guys a flip. Looking pretty good. Alright guys, I'm going to let them go another 4 or 5 minutes, and I'll check some temps on it. Alright guys, I'm going to give these guys a flip. I'm going to check some temps. I'll be honest, I don't think we're quite there. But we're going to check them anyway, especially this one over here. I think we got a little bit of time to go. I might move it around here. Well, that one's close. Very close. Definitely. Alright guys, let me get these off of here. We're going to let them rest a minute, and we'll get a bite. Yeah. Guys, let's slide this beautiful little chop right there. whipped up some green beans. Just something to go with it. Just a simple little meal. See if I can get in there and get a little bite of that. Plenty of juices in there. If I can show you. Looks great to me, guys. Let's get a bite of this right here. Hey guys, just a short little dinner. I was actually planning this over the weekend when I was going to do about twice as much to family here, but it didn't work out. Doing it tonight, end up doing it inside. Get a bite. Perfect, got a little fat in there. I love that stuff. I love that stuff. SPG Grillaholics, link below down in the video description. Save you 20% on that. SPG plus butter from Grillaholics. That is delicious, guys. I'm gonna get one more little bite for you, if I can get it off there. Save their juices. Internal temp, we shoot for about 145 when done. I pull it generally about 140, so let it override, let it rest in a few minutes, and it'll take it right up to around 145. But delicious, guys. Definitely delicious. Guys, cheers to you. That's a cheap cut of pork. This little pack I use, and you see the pack up about 6 pork chops in a pack. Generally under 10 bucks. I don't know, it might be a little over 10 bucks now, but they're not very expensive cuts, but if you cook them right, they turn out to be great cuts of meat. And I enjoy them. We buy them around here all the time. So guys, thank you as always. Hit that like button for us, helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And folks, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.